on that door so you can get in, and don't mind the time, forget all that's been. Get lost in a park, find a tree that will last, find a secret path that leads to our house, climb the stairs to the roof, lay flat on your back. Wherever it may, fill up the space with your